Hello there, Weatherman of the North 154 here. Tonight, I will be talking about the potential of a potentially very dangerous day tomorrow, especially for portions of the south central United States, particularly the southern plains. So, what we've got going on here is that conditions are looking favorable that tomorrow could host the possibility of strong, violent lawn track tornadoes possible for the eastern Texas Panhandle into western Oklahoma, and then severe thunderstorms from portions of southern Texas up into central Kansas and potentially even southeastern Colorado. Now, what we've got going on here is that some of these tornadoes could potentially reach EF4 and if not EF5 intensity should things come together right in the reddish zone I have there right now. As of right now, there's an enhanced risk in effect to account for the tornado threat, but if current trends continue with the possibility of a few supercellular thunderstorms in the warmer sector, a possible upgrade to a moderate risk is possible, so stay tuned. I will be posting updates on this early tomorrow morning. And now to show you basically a thorough run through of what is to come. So go to the 1Z. 1Z. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so that's pretty much right now. But then here's Saturday. You can see right around 10ish a.m. You will have ongoing elevated thunderstorms from tonight's convection, which could lead to some marginally severe wind and hail, so quarter-size hail and some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible in the strongest cells, but otherwise it's going to be nothing compared to what's to come in the afternoon. So then here's where we start to see the development of some supercells, especially right here. Looks like 00Z is actually going to be better in this case, so right there, right around the 20Z Saturday, that's where we'll see the start of a very dangerous day. And so 20Z, so that's about here, early afternoon. So then mid afternoon to late afternoon, thunderstorms really fire up in the Texas Panhandle. Then some isolated cells also possible there, which could also turn severe. So expect up to a few hours of discrete supercells, which is what's going to really produce those tornadoes before everything starts conjoining into a sort of a broken squall line, which could increase the threat of some damaging winds, but some stronger cells can still produce some tornadoes and large hail. Speaking of large hail, there's also the threat that there could be some very, very large hail also during the discrete supercell, some of which may reach 3 to 4 inches in diameter. So, best to stay inside when that craziness hits. And here's a SKUT plot in one of the cells later on in the afternoon. So, potential hazard type tornado, and then right here with the effective layer STP with CIN. The box and Whisker plots, so you see this blue line here, is suggesting that anywhere between an EF1 to EF4, maybe even EF5 tornado is possible, although it would most likely be a EF2 plus strength tornado if one were to occur. So basically, best chances will be the further up in the box it is. Then you've got a non-severe supercell match, but that's just the nearest you can find with historical records, but this is going to be quite a unique day. Then here, it predicts at least around 1,524 joules per kilogram of CAPE, so instability at that time. P-loss of 0.98 inches